Hi, this is Cathy Egan with the LSU AgCenter. I am a SNAP-Ed nutrition agent in Ouachita Parish. Today I want to share an easy method to reduce the cooking time for whole chickens. Have you ever heard of the Spatchcock method? It involves laying the chicken flat to allow for better heat distribution. It is also known as butterflying. This technique is great for grilling or oven roasting since it allows the chicken to cook faster and more evenly. Let's get started with our recipe for spatchcock roasted chicken. I already have my oven preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so it will be ready to cook. Lay the chicken on a cutting board breast side down with the legs closest to you. Use kitchen shears to cut out the backbone. This method will help you achieve a juicy, crispy skin chicken. Flattening the chicken allows the inside and outside of the bird to cook at the same time, which results in more flavorful meat. So now we want to flip the chicken over with the breast side up. You can save the backbone to use in making chicken stock if you would like. So now we have the chicken open like a book. We're going to use a knife to score the sternum just to make it a little bit easier to break. And then we're going to use our hands and our body weight to flatten the sternum so the chicken will lay out flat. We're now ready to season the chicken. I'm going to use salt, pepper, and some garlic powder, but you can use any combination of seasonings that you prefer. I'm using about 2 teaspoons of salt. We'll add about a teaspoon of black pepper and then about a teaspoon of garlic powder. But again, feel free to experiment with any of your favorite seasonings. And because we are spatchcocking the bird, we're going to get a lot more flavor and a very crispy roasted skin as the chicken cooks. So now that we've about got it seasoned, our next step is to put it on a rimmed baking sheet. We have a rimmed baking sheet ready, and that's what we're going to cook our chicken on and as we roast it in the oven. I have lined mine with parchment paper just to make cleanup a little bit easier. And we're going to top our baking sheet with some fresh rosemary. So this is fresh rosemary that I cut from our garden at our AgCenter office, but you can easily find fresh rosemary at the grocery store. So we're going to lay a little bit of that onto our tray for our chicken to cook. And then we're going to top that with some minced garlic. So this is 4 cloves of garlic that I've minced. And then this will help add some flavor to our chicken as it cooks. So now we're going to place our spatchcock chicken on our prepared pan, and it will be ready to go into the oven and roast for about 40 minutes at 450 degrees. You want to make sure that it is at an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can check that with an instant read food thermometer. I hope you'll give spatchcocking a try. You can find more recipes, nutrition tips, and cooking information on our website. You can find us online at lsuagcenter.com. And we hope that you will give this a try so that you can enjoy a nice, crispy, juicy chicken with the spatchcock method.